What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I have another 3 brand new job leads for you guys, jobs that you can start almost right now. And these jobs are paying very well as well. You can expect to make over $30 per hour in some of these jobs that I'm going to be covering here. Now, with that said, before I dive into all the job leads here, I just want to mention my second channel, which is the work from home channel, which is this channel right here. If you are looking for the highest paying remote work from home jobs, these are where I'm posting these job leads every single day now. So for example, if you look at some of my recent jobs here, I mean over 100 jobs that will pay you $1,300 per week, and these are worldwide jobs that you can do from just about anywhere in the world. I mean, I found jobs here where you could be in Nigeria and you could be making upwards of $35 per hour. And also these jobs were no interview jobs. All you really had to do was to pass some tests and some assessments to be able to land these jobs. Also, other high-paying jobs here will include jobs in data entry or watching videos. So for example, watching videos here online, you can make $24 per hour. Also, entry-level tech jobs paying upwards of $36 per hour. Part-time data entry jobs making over $1,700 per week. So really high paying job leads here. So be sure to check out this channel. And when you do, I mean, go ahead and subscribe, but also more importantly, be sure to tap this bell right here and turn on all the notifications, because that seems as if it's the only way that YouTube will notify you of when I post new videos on this channel right here. So with that all covered, let's dive into the job leads for today. Now, first job lead is going to be coming out of this company. It's Gaggle. And actually, before I cover this one, this is a job that I covered on my second channel, the work from home channel, previously about 2 or 3 days ago. This is a mental health therapist remote position. So again, this job was paying, starting rate here was $50 per hour. So again, be sure to go over to that channel so you don't miss out on the highest paying remote work from home jobs. But if you are interested, this is another remote work from home job that you can apply to. And I'll actually leave the link to their careers page here so you can see all the jobs that are listed here, and they're all remote and you can work from just about anywhere. Now, the actual job leads for today will include this one, a operations analyst or trust and safety analyst here, and it is at Gaggle, and this is another remote full-time position. So in this position, this is what you'll be doing. So you'll review and analyze student activity to identify a need for intervention related to student safety or well-being while maintaining quality and efficiency goals set in place to ensure quick delivery of actionable information. Also, communicating with our customers, designated emergency contacts at the school district to relay important information, fielding phone calls and emails from customers about student incidents in a responsive, resourceful, and professional manner, applying sound judgment and knowledge from previous related experience to make the best decisions to keep students safe. Also, recording and maintaining concise notes regarding each incident in Salesforce, identifying trends, utilizing research to make decisions, and collaborating with other operations analysts to make recommendations. Also working closely with department leadership to develop processes and procedures to reach company goals, auditing decisions made by others with a focus on accuracy and efficiency, and also operating as a single contributor to or on a team with a high level of ownership of individual outcomes. Now, they're looking for someone that has experience using a variety of desktop and web-based applications, and they use Salesforce, for example, Service Cloud, Slack, Sling at Gaggle. Also experience in crisis management, child advocacy, content moderation, or a related field or degree. A strong comfort level in communicating sensitive information through email, text, or phone to convey the seriousness of that particular situation. Also, ability to stay focused on the same task for long and uninterrupted periods, must be able to process large amounts of content quickly and also accurately. Also a passion for reading, confidence to operate independently and within a virtual team environment. Also high degree of ownership of individual outcomes and a passion for continuous improvement. Now, for this job, there was no salary listed here, but they did mention some of the benefits that you would get. So for salaries, you could go over to Glassdoor. For other jobs listed here, they did tell you what the salary was, like this one right here, the mental health therapist. We know that this position pays over $50 per hour. But as for this one, you probably have to go over to Glassdoor to see what they're paying. And actually, let's just take a look at Glassdoor right now. So this company is one that I've never covered before. So they are listed on Glassdoor. This is a legitimate company here, Gaggle. They have overall ratings here of 4.1 out of 5 stars. So really high ratings here. Most companies that I review usually fall in the 3-star range. They're never usually over 4 stars. So people seem to really enjoy working here. They're based out of Dallas, Texas. Over 130 reviews here, and also over 180 reported salaries. So you could scroll through here and you could review what other people reported making depending on the type of job, or you could actually just go and search for this particular job. Whichever one you want to apply to, and then you could see what the reported salaries for those positions were. But they seem to be paying fairly well here based on some of these salaries here. So for example, a graphics artist, or a graphic artist rather, here makes up to $79,000 per year. A marketing specialist makes up to $73,000. A student safety representative makes up to $56,000. A content moderator makes up to $53,000. So quite a bit of salary info here. So you guys could check out Glassdoor for reviews and salary information on this company. Now, the other job that I want to cover is also at this company, Gaggle, and this is a customer success manager. Now, not sure if we just saw that job or that salary here, but there were some other jobs related to customer service. So a customer service representative here makes, based on 10 reported salaries, up to $46,000 per year. And that same job is here again, customer service, based on 2 reported salaries, up to $51,000 per year. So again, you could go through and maybe you may be able to find the salary for that one. A manager here, based on 3 reported salaries, is making up to $114,000 per year, or an average around $88,000. So you could do some research there. But this is the customer success manager. Again, another full-time remote position. Responsibilities here will include customer engagement, customer management, renewal management, and these will include tasks such as to regularly engage with the assigned customers to discuss ways they can recognize further value with their relationship with Gaggle. Also coordinate and deliver professional development sessions for assigned customers to ensure end users integrate Gaggle into their student safety or well-being workflows. Also work with technical support, safety, product teams to identify, track, and analyze potential issues that may impact retention. Also, under customer management, you'll be building and maintaining relationships with assigned customers by establishing a strong partnership. Serve as a point of contact for assigned accounts and work with sales, customer education, marketing, and implementation to proactively address client needs. Also provide Gaggle's teams with analysis of client needs, as well as own areas to improve. As for renewal management, manage renewal process and negotiations for your assigned book of business. Work with assigned customers to craft and secure renewal agreements that align with the district needs. Understanding the budgeting process within your assigned account base. Also provide accurate visibility into the forecast for your assigned renewable book of business, and use Salesforce to create and send renewal quotes and agreements to your assigned customer base. Now, as for the requirements for this position, they're looking for someone that has at least 3 years of experience in sales or a customer success role. Also experience managing stakeholders in multiple departments within large districts. Exceptional at using listening and consultative skills to build trust and relationships with district leaders. Strong documentation skills to record plans and information discussed with the customer and to provide data and reports to stakeholders. Excellent presentation and communication skills, which are utilized when working directly with the customer. Also has a positive perspective and is capable of managing difficult or complex situations. Large amount of day-to-day work is done independently, so strong organization and time management skills are required, and also proven ability to thrive in a team-based environment. And preferred qualifications would include a bachelor's degree, experience in the K-12 education field, proficiency with Salesforce, and if you're located in the Eastern or Central US, that would be preferred. Now, no mention of salaries here, but again, if we go over to Glassdoor, based on 2 or based on 3 reported salaries here, managers are making around $88,000 per year. The range is 67 to 114,000, and you could also search for that particular job here, as there are over 180 reported salaries here on Glassdoor. Now, before I get into the other job lead that I want to cover, just want to remind you guys of this resource that I created for anyone that is struggling with their resume and also landing job interviews. And this is going to be the pro resume templates right here, professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. So your resume won't be discarded, won't be filtered out by the system. Now it actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review. So here you're getting 3 resume templates with instructions. They come broken down into sections with section by section instructions on how to customize them depending on the type of job that you're applying to. And this way you keep everything ATS compliant even after customizing them. Also 3 matching cover letter templates with instructions, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters. If you want to do interview follow-ups, you can do so as well. And you don't necessarily have to use the templates. I mean, you can pick the one you like the most and you could use it, or you could use all 3, or you could take the instructions and then craft your own template or own resume from scratch. So that is another option here. Everything is fully customizable. Don't need to pay for any software to customize these. You can do so using Google Docs, which you can use on any device. So laptop, MacBook, smart TV, your phone, tablet, iPad, just about anything that has a browser and internet connection. And you could go ahead and type on there, then you could edit these templates there. And there's also a screen recording here of me showing you guys exactly how to edit and customize these very quickly. So again, if you are interested, or if you do need this resource, if you do need help with your resume, the link is down below in the description, or I'll leave it in a pinned comment down below. Now, the next job here that I want to cover is going to be working at Transamerica, and this is a internal sales consultant, and this job is also brand new, posted just about 2 days ago, and they're looking for someone that will be providing information to support the sale of life insurance products. So job description or responsibilities here will include answer inbound calls as needed, make proactive outbound calls to agents to assist in sales generation, maintaining a 30 to 35 calls per day average. Also answer inbound calls from agents, maintaining 30 to 35 calls per day average as well. Take ownership of each call to ensure agents receive accurate and complete information to make decisions that meet their clients' best interest. Use Salesforce to track 100% of calls or actions taken. Maintain a thorough understanding of features and benefits for new and existing products, and ensure agents and internal partners are kept aware of product updates, changes, and associated rules and guidelines. Also use a variety of websites and internal systems to research, gather, and disseminate information. Train agents on sales concepts and end-to-end processes, and also utilize expertise of teams in new business, customer service, agent technical support, underwriting, to ensure agents receive the right information. Now, as for qualifications or what is required to land this job, you would need a bachelor's degree in business or a business field or the equivalent education or experience. Also, ideally 3 years of sales experience, preferably in life insurance, excellent communication and listening skills, interpersonal skills to maintain relationships and build trust with agents and team members, also strong attention to detail to document calls, activities. Also, preferred qualifications would be a life and health license, or be able to obtain that within 90 days. And again, this is a fully remote work from home job. Now for this position, typically salary range is anywhere from $45,000 to $48,000 per year. And this position is typically eligible for an annual bonus based on a company bonus plan and also individual performance, and that is at the company's discretion. So you can actually make a bonus here or make some bonus money here, so that would be good as well. Also, you get a ton of benefits here: pension plan, 401k match, employee stock purchase plan, tuition reimbursement, disability, medical, dental, vision insurance, employee discounts, and also you get PTO starting off at over 100 or starting at 160 hours annually in your first year of service. Also 10 paid holidays per year, and parental leave of up to 15 days per year, and a ton of other benefits and perks here as well. So a really good opportunity to look into. Now, also about a day ago on the work from home channel, I covered this other position here, which you guys can apply to as well. This is for a retirement plan specialist. I went into great detail covering this job. You get the same benefits here. Job is a bit different, but the salary range here goes up to $95,000 per year. So it's $65,000 to $95,000 per year. So paying quite a bit. And this is also a brand new job lead here that was posted just 2 days ago. So again, if you want to always know of the highest paying remote work from home jobs, be sure to go over to that second channel, the work from home channel, subscribe, and also tap the notification bell there so you always get updated of when I post another brand new high paying remote work from home job. Now, with that covered, some other jobs that are still open that you guys can still apply to that I posted on the work from home channel recently would include some jobs here at One Call, and one here is a medical interpreter. This position is paying up to $25 per hour, so this is something that you could look into as well. Another position here at One Call was a medical services coordinator. This job was also paying up to $25 per hour. And then another job that I covered here on the work from home channel probably 2 days ago would be the care coordinator level 2, which pays up to $23 per hour. All you really needed to land this job was a high school diploma, so you could still apply to this one because the listing is still up, so you still have a shot. So you could definitely go and take a look at some other jobs that I posted there as well. So with all that covered, these were the job leads for today. So we had the customer success manager at Gaggle. We also had the operations analyst at Gaggle. And then we had the retirement plan specialist, or actually the internal sales consultant was the job we just covered. And then some other positions here that I covered on the work from home channel, like this one, the retirement plan specialist, and the jobs at One Call. So if you are interested, I'd say go ahead and apply as soon as you possibly can. Probably just open a new tab right now, apply while you're still watching or listening to this video. That way you get a chance to get your application in before these job listings are pulled. And usually they're pulled very quickly, especially when they don't require a ton of experience, and you can get in easily because a ton of people are looking for high paying jobs right now. So these jobs are moving very quickly. So with all that covered, all the best in your job hunt. I hope you guys find that dream remote work from home job that you're looking for, that pays you a ton, gives you a ton of really great benefits, also gives you all the freedom and flexibility that you're looking for. And with all that covered, I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.